Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to do question number 3 of exercise 14.4 chapter number 14 statistics. In question 3, the following observations have been arranged in ascending order. If the median of the data is 63, then find the value of x. Here you are having some observations and it is already told that the observations are arranged in ascending order and median for the data is also given. We have to find the value of x. So first of all we have to count how many observations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So n is 10 here. ये x plus 2 को हम एक ही observation count करेंगे. n is 10 and it is even number. So median will be 10 by 2 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So therefore median is equal to 5th plus 6th observation divided by 2. Now median is given to you, that is 63, and 5th observation in above data is, the data is already arranged in ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो 5th number पर जो है x है and on 6th number there is x plus 2. So we have to add these two observations and now we can solve it. For x, cross multiplying 2x plus 2 and this gives you x is equal to 124 by 2 and this gives us x is equal to 62. So missing value or missing observation is 62. Similarly, next missing observation is 62 plus 2 is equal to 4. But here we have to find the value of x. Now this question can be extended as find the value of x, also find the mean of the above data. तो पहले हम x को फाइंड करेंगे, देन x की वैल्यू को क्वेश्चन में पुट करेंगे एंड देन हम उस डाटा के लिए मीन को फाइंड करेंगे. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th. Here you have to find the mode of the given values. So first of all we have to prepare frequency table. Here I will write observation. Observation meaning जो भी वैल्यू डाटा में given है and here tally marks and then frequency. First observation is 14, so put a tally mark. 25, put a tally mark. Again 14. 28, put a tally mark. 18, 17, then 18 and after 18 there is 14 and 23, 22, again 14 and then 18. Here we see that observation 14 has highest frequency. So mode of the data is 14. So therefore mode is 14. Why mode is 14? Because its frequency is highest. Question number 5. Find the mean salary of 60 workers of a factory from the following table. There is a table and उस टेबल में फैक्ट्री में काम करने वाले 60 वर्कर्स की सैलरी आपको गिवन है. मीनिंग अब ये डाटा जो है इट इज़ अरेंज्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल. रॉ डाटा नहीं दिया. 60 वर्कर्स में ऐसा नहीं है कि एक एक वर्कर की आपको सैलरी बताई है. मान लो कुछ वर्कर्स की सैलरी सेम है तो उन्होंने उसको फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल की फॉर्म में अरेंज कर दिया. हेयर यू कैन सी कि 3000 सैलरी लेने वाले, वी कैन सी दैट 3000 सैलरी लेने वाले यहाँ पर 10 वर्कर्स हैं एंड 4000 वाले 12 हैं, 5000 वाले 10 हैं. इसी टाइप से बाकी सारी सैलरीज के बारे में आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन है. सो नाउ द डाटा इज नॉट रॉ डाटा, इट इज अरेंज्ड इन फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल. तो मीन को फाइंड करने के लिए जो वो सेकेंड वाला फॉर्मूला था समीशन एफ आई एक्स आई डिवाइडेड बाई समीशन एफ आई, वी हैव टू यूज दैट फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. So this is our table, and to find the mean now we have to multiply each observation by its frequency first of all. So 3000 into 16 gives you 48,000, and 12 into 4 gives you again 48 and 1000. 10 into 5000, this gives you 50,000. 6 into 8, again 48,000, 42,000, 32,000. 9 into 3, 27,000, and 10,000 into 1, this will be 10,000. Now we have to find the sum of this column, summation Fi. Summation Fi means sum of all observations, एंड इन ऑब्जर्वेशंस को एक एक को टोटल ना करके हमने उनको फ्रीक्वेंसी से मल्टीप्लाई किया, एंड अब इन वैल्यूज़ को हम प्लस कर देंगे. वी विल गेट द सम ऑफ ऑल दीज वैल्यूज़. Here total number of observations or sum of all these values will be 3,05,000. Now we have to find the mean. So mean is equal to summation Fi xi is 3,05,000 and sum of all frequencies is 60. When we divide it by 6, we will get approximate value 5,083.33. So this is the mean of the data. Now students, suppose you are also asked to find the mode of the data. Here mode of data will be here. Now look at the observations. Which observation is having maximum frequency? Here the observation 3000 is having maximum frequency, that is 16. So mode of the data is rupees 3000. Now suppose you have to find the median also. For median, now the number of observations is 60. Here n is even number. So therefore median will be n by 2 is 30. 30th plus 31st observation divide by 2. This will be the median. Now the question is, which is the 30th observation and which one is the 31st observation? For this we have to find the cumulative frequency. But before that, you have to check whether the observations are arranged in ascending order or not. Here the observations are already arranged in ascending order. और स्टूडेंट्स रिमेंबर दीज आर टाइप ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस, मीनिंग हमने जो सैलरीज दिया वर्कर्स को वो इतने इतने टाइप की सैलरी दी है, बट सैलरी 60 लोगों को दी है बिकॉज सैलरी का रेपिटिशन भी हो रहा है. तो फॉर दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. हेयर you can make a column of cumulative frequency. It will help us to find the median. It means first को as it is आपको लिखना है 16. Second cumulative frequency will be 16 plus 12, that will be 28. Now 28 plus 10, it will be 38. 38 plus 8, it will be 46. 46 plus 6, 52. 52 plus 4, 56. 56 plus 3, 59, and 59 plus 1, it will be 60. Now we have to check which observation is there on 30th number and 31st number पर कौन सी observation है. तो cumulative frequency tells you that 28 number तक तो 4000 या 3000 है, and आफ्टर 29 to 38 नंबर पर 5000 है. सो 30th नंबर पर भी एंड 31st नंबर पर भी देयर इज 5000. सो 30th ऑब्जर्वेशन 5000 प्लस 31st इज ऑल्सो 5000 डिवाइड बाय 2 एंड यू गेट मीडियन इज इक्वल टू 10,000 by 2 and we get that median is equal to rupees 5,000. Thank you, students.